Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Stellaris. Stellaris is a captivating grand strategy game from Paradox Development Studio, designed exclusively for personal computers. It masterfully blends real-time strategy with the 4X genre, inviting you to explore, expand, exploit, and exterminate across a vast, procedurally generated galaxy. Get ready to forge your own interstellar empire and navigate complex diplomatic and military challenges. To begin your journey, first acquire Stellaris from major digital storefronts such as Steam or GOG. Before purchasing, always check that your personal computer meets the minimum system requirements for optimal performance. Once acquired, simply download and install the game using your platform's client. It's a good practice to verify the game files after installation to ensure everything is set up correctly for your first play session. Once installed, you'll begin by selecting or creating your unique empire. Your initial steps involve sending out science ships to explore the vast galaxy, uncovering new star systems and intriguing anomalies. Simultaneously, you'll manage your empire's economy, crucial resources, and technological research to ensure steady advancement. Don't forget to construct and command powerful fleets, essential for both defending your borders and expanding your influence across the stars. To truly master Stellaris, experiment with diverse empire ethics and civics to discover unique playstyles. Diplomacy, trade, and espionage are vital tools for interacting with other empires, offering many strategic options. For an even richer experience, consider joining friends in multiplayer sessions, which adds a dynamic layer of challenge. Finally, immerse yourself in the vibrant Stellaris community for countless guides, exciting mods, and engaging discussions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.